Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be showing something exciting, which is the OM65 keyboard. If you love 65% keyboard like I do, you are going to love this. Let's get started. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Here we go. The OM65 keyboard comes with everything that needs you to get started. First up, we have the keyboard itself, of course. We are excited that we are using the Boba U4T switcher with the OMO65 keycap. Here are the Boba U4T switches. They are satisfying, nice, tactile without being overly loud, but perfect for both typing and gaming. With this MOA keycap, they are a little bit texture and a stylish design will make this keyboard stand out. Now let's talk about connectivity. The OM65 offers a 3-way connection, a wired, a 2.4 GHz wireless, and a Bluetooth. This keyboard is just $65 SGD. The OM65 Mechanical Keyboard is also a steal for what you are getting. Whether you are new to mechanical keyboards or pro, this is definitely worth checking out.